Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to set up BoldDesk's Omnichannel in the WhatsApp application. I will show you how to configure WhatsApp integration in BoldDesk, add and manage WhatsApp accounts, and set up WhatsApp accounts in Meta. WhatsApp is a leading messaging platform that allows businesses to connect seamlessly with customers. Integrating WhatsApp into BoldDesk's Omnichannel support system allows your agents to read, respond to, and resolve customer inquiries directly via WhatsApp. Note that this integration only supports WhatsApp business accounts. Let's see the key features of WhatsApp integration. WhatsApp Direct Communication allows customers to instantly connect with support agents, ensuring smooth and effortless communication. Real-time engagement provides quick responses to messages, inquiries, and customer feedback, boosting satisfaction. Multimedia interaction with effortless sharing of text, images, videos, documents, and more enhances communication and the overall customer experience. Template messaging allows you to send responses using a WhatsApp template. Group-based assignment. When the user initiates the message from WhatsApp, the chat is automatically assigned to a group based on your configuration. Multi-channel support, such as multiple business phone numbers, can be configured for your help desk WhatsApp integration. Let's dive into configuring WhatsApp integration in BoldDesk. I log into the BoldDesk account as an administrator and navigate to the Admin Center. I open the Chat option and select the WhatsApp app in the Channels section. The WhatsApp integration page will open. Then, click the Configure button to open the WhatsApp configuration dialog, where I need to configure my WhatsApp business account and provide a few credentials. To get them for WhatsApp integration, I need to configure the WhatsApp in my Meta account. If you don't have a Meta account, create one at developers.facebook.com. I sign into my Facebook developers account and select the My Apps tab to open the Apps creation page. Click Create App, and a page will open. Select the Other option and click Next to open the App Type selection page, where you choose the app type as Business and click Next. On the page that opens, enter your app name and contact email. Select your business account and click Create App to add the app to your dashboard. On your dashboard, click the Setup button to integrate WhatsApp with your app. Then, you will be redirected to a quick start page for the onboarding process. Click Start using the API to complete the onboarding process. Now, the developer's Meta page is ready. Next, navigate to the App Settings and choose the Basic option. Copy the App ID and App Secret and paste them to the App ID and App Secret fields in the WhatsApp configuration dialog. To get the WhatsApp token, select WhatsApp. Click API Setup. I copy the temporary access token and paste it into the WhatsApp token field. If you have forgotten to copy your token and need to retrieve it, click the How to Find Your WhatsApp Token, and it will redirect you to the Meta Developers page. To learn how to create a permanent token, refer to the link in the video's description below. Click the Verify and Continue button to verify the account and proceed with the webhook configuration. After successful verification, BoldDesk will provide the webhook URL and webhook token. Then, copy the webhook URL and webhook verify token and configure them on the Meta Developers website. On the Meta Developers site, go to the WhatsApp section and select Configuration. I paste the webhook URL in the callback URL field and the webhook verify token in the verify token field. Click Verify and Save to save the configuration. Scroll down to the webhook fields section and toggle on Messages to receive real-time notifications for sent or received WhatsApp messages. Additionally, toggle Message Template Status Update for updates on template status, such as sent, delivered, read, or failed. On BoldDesk's app configuration dialog, I click Save to complete the installation process. Next, let me show you how to add WhatsApp accounts in BoldDesk. BoldDesk facilitates seamless mapping of accounts with specific brands and groups, enhancing organizational structure and communication efficiency. In the Admin Center, open the Chat module and select WhatsApp under the Channels section. I click the Manage option to open the WhatsApp accounts listing page. Next, click the Add Account option and enter the name, WhatsApp Business ID, and Phone Number ID. To get the WhatsApp Business ID and Phone Number ID, return to the Meta Developer site and select WhatsApp in the app created. Next, Open the API Setup section, copy the WhatsApp business ID and phone number ID, and paste them on their respective fields on the BoldDesk's account adding window. Next, select Brand to map the WhatsApp number, and select Group, to which chat will be automatically assigned. Click the Verify and Continue button to open the chat configuration page. Here I can choose to enable the Read Receipts option to see the read receipts from WhatsApp. You may also choose to enable Auto Reply and configure it to send automated replies when customers start conversations in WhatsApp. Finally, click Save, and an account will be added to the account listing page. When configuring your active WhatsApp account, customers can start conversations by messaging your business WhatsApp number. However, in this case, as I'm using a test number, customers cannot initiate conversations themselves. I'll start the conversation by sending a test message from the Meta developer site. I navigate to the Meta developer site and select WhatsApp. Next, I open the API Setup page. In the Send and Receive Messages section, select the From and To WhatsApp numbers from the drop-down list. I click Send Message, and a WhatsApp message will be sent to the selected number. When a reply is sent, an auto-response message, when configured, will be sent. Otherwise, no answer will be sent automatically. This ensures the test setup works correctly before going live with an actual WhatsApp business number for customers. For information on adding a phone number in Meta, refer to the link in the video's description. Agents can track all the conversations on the chat module, where they can manage them. Let me show you how to manage chats. On the Conversation Details page, there are options to export conversations, email transcript to myself, mark as spam, and delete conversation. There is also an option to link ticket to a conversation. Finally, let's look at how to manage a WhatsApp account. BoldDesk empowers users to manage their WhatsApp accounts efficiently with options to edit, delete, activate, and deactivate them. First, let me show you how to edit WhatsApp accounts in the Admin module. On the Account Listing page, click the More Options icon next to the account you want to edit and select the Edit option. You can modify these details and click Save to update the changes. And that's it. In summary, I demonstrated how to configure WhatsApp in BoldDesk, add and manage WhatsApp accounts, and set up the WhatsApp account in Meta. I also covered how to initiate, track, and manage conversations. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button. Keep watching our channel for more informative BoldDesk tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.